What's going on, guys? My name is DJ. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos every Thursday and every Sunday about fashion, college, and life advice. So if you want to improve your style, this is definitely the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you do not miss a single thing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different looks that I made, all based off of clothes that either I was going to sell or donate back at home. Recently, I went back to Seattle, Washington for the weekend to surprise my dad for his birthday. I did a rush job of packing, and so I didn't have enough clothes with me to make as many outfits as I would have liked to go out and shoot in. I went into my childhood bedroom. I found a bunch of clothes that were in the donate bag or stuff that was just shoved under my bed. Different things from pants to shoes to shirts to jackets. Everything that you need to make an outfit I found in that old bedroom. And I paired it with a couple of the pieces I brought home for the weekend, but for the most part, all of these outfits are made entirely based on the clothes that I have at home. We're calling this a little bit of a trash to treasure episode. I hope you guys love the outfits, but before we get into this lookbook, I want to show you the entire start to finish process from going into my old closet, picking out the different garments that I'm going to wear, and then deciding how I was going to pair everything together. So I hope you guys enjoy this entire journey from start to finish of picking an outfit and shooting a lookbook. Let me know what your favorite look is with a comment in the comment section down below. Most of the pieces I have in this lookbook are thrifted, but everything that I can find a link to, it will be linked in the description, so check that out if you're looking for some of these pieces as well. Without any further ado, I'm gonna take you into my childhood bedroom, so let's roll that right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my old closet. I've got a whole bunch of different clothes. Old basketball jerseys, shoes, random dress shirts, bags of clothing, all kinds of things, stuff hung up. Then over here, you can see all my dad's desk and stuff. But down here, you have all of these shoe boxes, and we'll get into that in a second. But first, we're going to look in here and try and find some clothes that I can still wear. So we have some pair of jeans up here. We got some good stuff that I thrifted over the years. I have this pair of APCs, which were awesome. I wore these a ton throughout high school. And then I have 2 pairs of All Saints jeans that I got for $35 total for both of them. So these normally run close to $100 per pair, I think. I'll flash up a photo here. But a nice light wash and a dark wash, so I think we're definitely going to use these in some way. So for pants, I have all kinds of different trousers that I've thrifted, different patterns, different colors, and I think these gray ones for sure. These gray ones, just super nice cut, really nice color. I don't know why I left these at home. These are beautiful. Simple blue pinstripe, nice fitting of the body. And then also these, I think these are some military pant in some way. They have this black stripe down the side, which is really unique and an interesting cut to them, but I think the dark green color is awesome, and I love the way that these look. So I think for pants, that is what we're gonna go with for this lookbook. All right, in this drawer right here, there's a whole bunch of shirts, and this top one here is one that I really wanna wear. It's kind of a cropped cut, and it's got this really sweet pattern on it with these little cubes. I love this shirt, another thrift gem, so I'm gonna set this aside for sure. Might take another one of these, some really cool patterns, some other flowy Hawaiian style shirts in here, but I think we're gonna leave those. In this bag I have some other thrifted pieces. This Carhartt, this is a plain t-shirt. It's pretty large, but I think with a sleeve roll and tuck in, this could look really good, so we'll put that together for sure. And then, oh, I'm not a Husky fan, I won't claim to be, but I thrifted this Crewneck a long time ago from the '91 Rose Bowl, and I just think the design is so cool. So being back home in Washington, I might just pretend to be a fan for a little bit and rock this piece. For clothes, I think that's about it. Now we'll get into shoes. Okay, so in this corner on the shelf, we've got a bunch of office materials and books, but in between that we have a bunch of my old shoes. We've got some old gems in here, like these Halloween Air Forces. We've got these old LeBron 4s. We got these Richard Sherman Seahawk 3M shoes. Oh, these are the Barclays. The Air Force 180s. You know that's classic when you get the old Nike box. We're definitely gonna use these and bring these back. I've missed these a lot. The Y3 Casa Highs. I love these and excited to put these together with an outfit again. These, another Nike classic, the Air Max 95s. Just the Volt colorway, so good. Getting back into the Jordan days, of course. We've got some Jordan 10s, just in the steel colorway. I love these, I rock these so much, but they are quite old and the heel is separating a little bit there, but these are just such an awesome piece to have still. I've got the old retro card with it and everything. Gosh, I'm getting so nostalgic here, guys. Man, these are awesome. I miss it a little bit. So I think in terms of the outfits we're gonna wear for this lookbook, I'm want to bring these Y3s back. Under here, I also have some other shoes. So I have these that I thrifted. I might bring these, but I definitely want to dress these up. These are just a simple pair of black horse fit loafers. They're kind of Gucci-esque. But I got these for $6 at a thrift store. Normally I don't buy shoes at a thrift store, but I thought this would be nice, and I've worn them a couple times, and I think worn with the right outfit they can look really good. So I think we're gonna bring these back for sure. So Y3s, loafers. I'm just gonna wear the Air Forces for a couple of outfits, and then maybe we'll find another pair in here. All right, so we got the shoes and the clothes we're gonna wear, and now let's put these outfits together. Take you into the closet right over here. I think we're gonna be able to use these. Definitely want to use this in some way. This really cool Nike puffer. I got this at a Nike outlet, and it's got all the tech zippers and everything like that, which is so cool. It retailed for something like $350, and I got it for around 100 bucks. So I love this jacket. We're gonna use that for sure. Let's see what else. This is just a nice kind of collared style jacket. I think we'll be able to use that for sure. Okay, we're now gonna make the outfits here. So with this first one, we're just gonna go from the order of the pieces. I think we're gonna go with this hoodie, the jeans that I brought with me home, and then I'm gonna throw this jacket. We're gonna have a cool kind of athleisure look with these pieces together. So this will be look number one. Next look, I really like the way the maroon and navy go together, so I think we're gonna pull these navy trousers. Take these pinstripe trousers, tucking the Carhartt shirt into there, and I'm probably gonna wear these with Air Forces as well. Next, let's see, this shirt. I think, honestly, these gray trousers and this shirt are gonna go really nicely together. So I'm gonna wear these, and I'm gonna pair these actually with these bad boys. So we're gonna wear those together. We're gonna wear Air Forces for both of these looks. So then we have the other two shoes right there. And I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try and see what it looks like with the Casa Highs. Throw these on. And then for the Air Maxes, not sure what we're gonna do with this one, but maybe we'll throw it on with the Dark Wash All Saints. I think that could be a good look. Throw it on with the Dark Wash All Saints, and then so the only issue with these All Saints jeans is that they're super long. I was big into the stacked look back in the day, but there's just too much here. So I'm just gonna cut it, do the raw hem look, and then we're gonna roll from there. Okay, so we have the tools that we need here, some scissors, a marker, and we're just gonna get to work. We're gonna be cutting off almost this much fabric, which sounds crazy, but I think these jeans are just too long, and as much as I love them, I don't wear them, so that's all to work. Okay, definitely cut them too short, but what are you gonna do? You're just gonna rock it. That's fine. I didn't wear them, so we're gonna make it work. So now that we've got my jeans that are cut too short, we might as well make the most of it. So we're just going to go in with the scissors open like this inside, and then just fray the hem so we can get that raw detail, and we'll go from there. Something I like to do as well is just cut small little slits throughout, and then you can use that to kind of tear or rip your denim according to where you made these little slits. Just randomly throughout the jeans. You can pull the fabric apart from there, like you can see here. And then we can get that nice thread exposed and work with it. There we go. Just working at it. Just gonna keep fraying. Here's the look we got. It's not perfect. Definitely gonna work on them a little bit more, but it looks good enough to do a shoot, so let's roll. Maybe this jacket in some way? Maybe I'll just wear this tee, this jacket, Air Maxes. I think we should be good. So there's a couple extra pieces. I might continue to incorporate these into some looks, But for now, I think we've got 5 solid looks. If there's any extra looks that I come up with, or if I change these, I'll keep you updated. But this is the initial planning for what these outfits are gonna look like. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that lookbook and the entire process of picking the pieces, putting the outfits together, and then shooting them in that lookbook. My little sister is a trooper and she's so talented behind the camera. Big shout out to her. And I hope you get inspired to go and find something in your old wardrobes that you could dig up. Maybe you haven't worn it in forever, maybe you're getting ready to donate it, but since we can't really shop in the way that we used to, we gotta get innovative with what we have. So I hope that you guys can find some new inspiration and rejuvenate some of those old clothes in your wardrobe. If you haven't already, definitely follow me on Instagram so you can see these outfits and a lot of other outfit inspiration on there on the regular. On my Instagram, I'm gonna start giving you more how-to and style tips as well. So in addition to everything that I'm putting out and giving you tips here on YouTube, I'm gonna have some written things that you can read. As you're getting outfit inspiration from the photos, you can actually read and see more in depth in the process of how I pair things together. So if you guys are into that, it's just at my name. You can click in the link description. It'll be one of the first links there. That wraps it up for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is DJ. I'll see you soon. Peace.
One more time. Go. You would not make a good skater, boy.